Historically, outbound has been focused on one singular motion, driving net new pipeline. However, this ignores a lot of the value it can have across the customer journey. Today, we're introducing Unify for Lifecycle Outbound, turning signals into revenue at each stage of the customer journey. What this means is that you're going to be able to engage not only net new prospects, but active deals and even expansion opportunities all within Unify. I'm sitting down with members of the team across our go-to-market org to understand the impact this is going to have on their function. So let's go. We're joined by Coco, one of our awesome account executives on the team. Coco, would love to hear from you how you're thinking about using sequence rule sets to apply outbound to active prospects and active deals.
Yeah, so in order to close a deal, multi-threading is incredibly critical. However, it's always been really manual. So with sequence rule sets, what I'm able to do is engage multiple stakeholders at a time in an open deal without letting any of them fall through the cracks.
That's going to help you make sure deals don't delay and you have all the right people in the room.
Exactly.
We're now joined by Cole, who's one of our enterprise CSMs here at Unify. Would love to hear how you're thinking about sequence rule sets as it pertains to the post-sale side of the house.
Rule sets are incredibly game-changing for full cycle outbound. I think traditionally people have thought as Unify as just doing outbound, and now with rule sets, individuals using Unify can go after their customer base in a meaningful way to prevent renewal risk, to expand accounts, and to generally just maintain rapport with their customer base.
Now we're joined by Jack here, who is one of our BDRs here at Unify, who's on the front line booking meetings every day. So with the classic outbound use case. But now with sequence rule sets, we'd love to hear from you how this is impacting and changing your role.
One of the ways I've been leveraging this is with our event and webinar follow-ups.
Sure.
If we have someone who recently joined a webinar, their interest is at its peak, now I can put them into a call sequence where even if they've been closed lost or previously in a sequence, we can still reach out to them and make it very personalized.
There are now a ton of opportunities across the customer journey for outbound, making Lifecycle Outbound truly a reality.